here's how you can decrease the data usage on your Android phone. Let's get started, and if it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so a few things. When I open up my Android settings like that, I can tap on the connections at the top, and obviously I have all of the things which I might be interested in, like the data usage, where I can browse the Wi-Fi data and so on. But when I go in here and check out the most commonly used apps, or those which use the most amount of storage, I can tap on those and, for example, not allow background data usage. So that's actually very important because you can see how much data has been used in the foreground and in the background. So first of all, having this information is useful in and of itself, but you can also disable the background run, which is something which you don't even control directly. So that's something I would keep turned off. And you can as well allow data usage while data saver is on. So I would keep this disabled as well. So you can go through the apps like this. For example, you can see there is some apps which are only running in the background. So those are definitely using a lot of storage. I mean, a lot of data without you even knowing, right? Outside of that, you can as well go to the SIM manager and some stuff like this that you can set up. But then if we want to go a little bit further, we can download an app from the Play Store, which is called My Data Manager. And this is an app which is going to allow you to set up limits and sort of like the notifications when you're about to reach the end of your mobile data plan and so on. And that's something which you can use. Another approach would be to get the Netgear app from the Play Store, which is an application which is going to allow you to disable some apps to have access to mobile data or Wi-Fi, right? So that's something a little bit of a deeper nature. It's not like just one-click solution. You have to kind of like set it up and go through the process, follow the instructions. But using this app, you can literally decide that some apps can only access internet on Wi-Fi or not at all, right? So that's something which you can set up as well to limit the data usage. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about this below in the comments. I really hope that I was able to help you out with that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.